In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post products that blow up on Facebook Marketplace. If you've ever wondered how to get your listings in front of more eyes, then you're in the right place. Let's dive into the mystery behind the Facebook Marketplace algorithm and discover how you can master it to drive more sales. First up, let's clear the air. The algorithm itself isn't really a mystery. It follows similar logic to Facebook's newsfeed algorithm, prioritizing relevance, engagement, and trust. Simply put, Facebook wants to show buyers products they'll want to click on, save, or purchase. If your listing garners early engagement like clicks, messages, or saves, the algorithm helps it reach an even wider audience, boosting its visibility substantially. Now, what can you do to make your listings more engaging? Several factors play into boosting your product's visibility. Keywords and SEO are essential, so use buyer-friendly words when crafting your title. Include brand names, sizes, conditions, and prices. Instead of simply listing shoes, convey more detail like Nike Air Force 1 men's size 10, like new. This makes your listing searchable and attractive to potential buyers. High-quality photos are crucial too. Aim for clear, bright images taken from multiple angles, ideally in a lifestyle setting. Pricing competitively is another key element. Facebook's algorithm favors items that are priced realistically compared to similar local listings, so make sure your prices are in line with the market. Lastly, responsiveness is important. If you reply to buyer inquiries swiftly, your listings gain a trust boost, nudging the algorithm in your favor. Don't forget the freshness of your listings either. Newer posts are prioritized, so renew or update your listings regularly. Once you've got your fundamentals down, it's time to focus on execution. A captivating title and thorough description in your posts can make a big difference. Your title should include searchable keywords, while your description needs to address common questions buyers may have, like condition, size, or pickup location. Adding related terms can help your listing appear in a broader range of searches. Photos, as I mentioned earlier, are essential. Ensure you upload at least 3 to 5 pictures using good lighting, along with close-up shots and a complete view of the item. Timing your posts effectively is also critical. Listing your products during evenings or weekends when people are more likely to browse can yield better results. Experiment with a few different times to figure out when your target audience is most active. Let's not overlook the longevity of your listings either. Renew them every week, and for items that perform particularly well, consider deleting and relisting them for fresh exposure. Building seller trust is yet another layer to optimize your listings. Complete your profile with a picture, bio, and ratings. The more trustworthy you appear, the more favorably the algorithm will treat your posts. Finally, there are some lesser-known tips that many sellers overlook. Cross-posting in local buy-sell groups can give your listings an instant boost, and offering delivery or shipping options can make them even more appealing, as Facebook prioritizes items available for shipping. Bundling items, for example, offering 3 shirts for a certain price, creates urgency and provides higher perceived value. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Facebook Marketplace and getting your products noticed. Happy selling!